Welcome to a little JTR Garage quick tip. I was out driving that this morning. Snowmobile, sled, whatever you call them where you're from. Anyway, that is a LYNX 5900 GLX. And I came down there, around there, hammered on the brake, tried to turn it around, and it stopped. Now it was running a little rough before, so I pulled the spark plugs out of it. And well, they look, well, worse than this, if the camera can focus. Come on. Yes. They look worse than this, and only one of them actually worked. So, what I did was I took it over here. You might know what this is. It's a small media blasting chamber. And that connection is leaky. Anyway, I did this to it. You can find some better lighting. I did this to it, media blasted it, removed all of the grime and crap. And I also tested it because there was bad connectivity in between the threads here and this rung on the end that the spark is produced against. Did that to one and tested it, and that worked. So now we're going to do the other one. Alright, so there they are. Both done and media sandblasted, both of them. Now, if you do this, this is a real quick and easy way to sort of refurbish your spark plugs if you don't have access to new ones. So, if you're going to do this, you really should go over them with compressed air afterwards to make sure you get all the nice small sand out of it, so none of that drops into your engine, because that is not good for an engine. Now, we're just going to pop these back in the LYNX and keep blasting over the fields.